You've come to the correct spot if you want to learn how to live frugally while laying a strong foundation for your future finances. In addition to accumulating enormous riches via his investing tactics, Warren Buffett, often known as the Oracle of Omaha, has served as a role model for frugal living and wise money management. We're going to learn 11 strategies for frugal living in this video, all taken directly from Warren Buffett's guide. He has achieved success in both his personal and professional life by adhering to these values. So, whether your goals are to reduce wasteful spending, make wiser financial decisions, or simply live a more thrifty and conscientious lifestyle, you're going to learn some gold nuggets of knowledge. Watch the video till the end, as the last strategy is the most secret one. Now let's start. 1. You don't need to upgrade to a bigger house. Perhaps you've heard the expression keeping up with the Joneses. In order to keep up with your neighbors, it is customary to purchase a bigger and better house, automobile, or technology. Warren Buffett, however, claims that doing this will only result in money wasted. Instead, he suggests that you may live happily in a small home and don't need to enhance your residence. The house Buffett acquired in the 1950s is still his current home. In his opinion, emphasis on pragmatism and utility should take precedence over luxury when it comes to housing. Therefore, you may save a lot of money over time by restraining yourself from upgrading to a bigger residence if you don't really need it. 2. Eat cheap and convenient food options. Warren Buffett supports frugality when it comes to eating as well. He advises picking affordable and practical eating alternatives rather than frequenting upscale eateries or purchasing pricey components. Consider buying frozen veggies, canned products, and bulk cereals as inexpensive yet wholesome alternatives. Organize your meals to take advantage of these more affordable choices and stay away from last-minute takeaway orders. In order to save hundreds of dollars annually, Buffett also advises avoiding the expensive coffee and brewing your own at home. Try it out and see how much money you can save. Eating inexpensive and easy food alternatives doesn't mean giving up flavor or nutrition. 3. Buy quality, not brand. When it comes to purchasing, Warren Buffett suggests putting quality above brand names. Flashy advertisements and designer brands shouldn't be taken advantage of because they frequently have a price tag. Instead, do your homework and spend your money on high-quality things that will last longer and end up costing you less money overall. Everything, including apparel, gadgets, and furnishings, falls under this. You may avoid overpaying and get excellent prices on trustworthy items by basing your purchases on quality rather than just brand. If you want to know more frugal living tips, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 4. Don't be afraid to use coupons in front of your friends. Every cent matters, in Warren Buffett's opinion, when it comes to financial planning. His advice is to use coupons, even if it means doing so in front of friends, is based on this. Using coupons when you purchase shouldn't make you feel self-conscious or reluctant because they may end up saving you a lot of money. Making use of coupons is important anytime it's possible, whether you're utilizing paper or digital versions. Since using your money wisely is a virtue, there is no need to feel guilty about it. 5. Invest as soon as you start earning. To begin investing as soon as you begin to earn money is one of Warren Buffett's top suggestions for living frugally. Starting early may have a big influence on your financial success, whether you're investing in stocks or putting money into a retirement fund. Because of the power of compound interest, your money has a longer growth potential the earlier you start investing. Make investment a priority from the beginning. Don't put it off until you're older or have more money. Early investment can result in substantial long-term cost savings. 6. Don't upgrade your possessions unless it's necessary. Buffett suggests waiting to upgrade your stuff unless it is really essential. This implies keeping your present car, phone, or furniture as long as it's still in good condition and hasn't reached the end of its useful life. Overspending and financial waste can result from unnecessary upgrading. Instead of following the current fashions or collecting showy items, according to Buffett, it's more vital to emphasize utility and pragmatism. 7. Eat cheap but healthy. A healthy diet and frugal living should be balanced, as Warren Buffett is aware of. In order to save money on groceries, he suggests eating inexpensive but healthful meals like fresh vegetables, grains, and meats, and shopping during sales and in larger quantities. Additionally, preparing meals at home will ensure that you are eating wholesome food while saving a large sum of money. It might also be economical and beneficial to stay away from processed meals and beverages. You may save money while preserving your health and well-being by including inexpensive but nutritious items in your diet. 8. Don't take unnecessary debt. Your money and future prospects might suffer greatly if you take on unneeded debt. Living within your means and staying away from credit cards and loans with high interest rates is preferable than spending on pleasures. Don't jeopardize your financial security for transient pleasure. Only take out loans for required costs and concentrate on saving for future aspirations or a rainy day. Debt might make it harder for you to save and invest, which can eventually impede your capacity to increase your money. 9. Don't spend money on things you don't need. Avoiding spending money on items you don't need is one of his well-known advice on living frugally. We frequently spend money on unnecessary items when we give in to our inclinations. We can save a lot of money that can be invested for greater returns by eliminating needless costs. As a result, the next time you consider spending money on something you don't need, keep Warren Buffett's advice in mind and refrain from doing so. 10. Save before you spend. According to Warren Buffett's renowned maxim, don't save what is left after spending, spend what is left after saving. In his speeches, Buffett advises saving money first. Even whether it's 10% or 20%, putting saving first can help you spend less and avoid wasting money on things you don't need. In order to attain financial freedom, paying yourself first should be a top priority. 11. Turn off lights and fans. I have seen many people that go out of room without turning off the lights and fans, but this shouldn't be done. You must turn off your room's lights and fans as you leave the room. Many times the kids, while playing, just switch on the lights and fans and go out of the room. Just keep a check whenever you are in home. Most of the Americans lose a major portion of wealth just because of this small mistake. That's all for this video. Now you know all the 11 frugal living strategies of Sir Warren Buffett. Your task is to use these in your daily life. Share this video with all of your friends and family. Do subscribe our channel to get regular updates on finances. And also press the like button in addition. Comment below if you are left with any questions. Thank you for watching till here.